this assessment, we're told that this is an E1 reaction and asked to practice our electron pushing skills by drawing an arrow pushing mechanism. To do that, we know that the E1 reaction is going to start with chloride leaving to make a carbocation. Now, I've numbered the carbons here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, to remind us that the new pi bond is going to form between carbon 2 and carbon 3, suggesting that carbon 3, which starts the reaction with 2 hydrogens, will lose one of these in the course of the reaction. The E1 elimination proceeds through the carbocation. I'll draw it. And it's at this point that we will lose one of the protons from carbon 3. Ethanol, as our solvent in the reaction, can act as the base to remove that proton and make our new double bond. This reaction, again, this mechanism completes formation of this while also reminding us of the other byproducts of this reaction, Cl- formed when the chloride left, and a protonated ethanol that formed when ethanol removed this proton here.